Hi, and welcome to my violin cleaning tutorial. Today I'm going to answer all your questions on how do I clean my violin. This is a question that everybody has, and that is something that violin teachers don't really spend time on. So what happens is the person learns how to play the violin, but they don't really learn how to take care of the violin. So today I'm going to teach you how to clean your violin properly. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself 3 cleaning cloths. These are not just ordinary cleaning cloths. These are cleaning cloths that you can get from a violin store, a music store, or that you can order online on Amazon. Down in the links below, on my comments, I have got the link for getting these cleaning cloths, right? So without much to do, let's dig right into it. Every single time that you play the violin, your bow will leave rosin residue on your violin. This is a tiny white powder that gets left on the fingerboard and in between or around the bridge. So over there and over there, okay? This needs to be wiped off. And the reason for this is that if you do not clean your violin after every single time that you have played the violin, what's going to happen is that rosin residue becomes sticky and it cakes to your violin, so it sticks. And then eventually your violin gets damaged, and the varnish gets damaged because the rosin residue is stuck there. You'll feel that it's not smooth over here like other violins are, unlike new violins are. So what you want to do is you want to take your first cleaning cloth and gently just wipe off on both sides and underneath the bridge and on top of the bridge the white residue, okay, over there as well, and on that side and under the tailpiece as well. That is the first thing, and this is something that you do every single time that you have played the violin. You clean your violin this way. But when there is residue that have caked there, and you are a person that is maybe lazy like me and you don't always clean your violin and you're always in a hurry when you pack your violin away, there are some things that you can do. So the first thing is take your second violin cleaning cloth and put a little bit of violin polishing oil or violin oil onto the cleaning cloth, maybe about 3 or 4 drops, no more, and gently massage where you feel the cakiness of the rosin residue, okay? Gently massage it and get it out. Don't push too hard on the F-holes because they can, the wood there is very weak, okay? And then also over there, gently massage it until you get rid of the cakiness. If it doesn't want to go away, if you've gently massaged it, it might be time to take your violin to a luthier to get it sorted out properly. Okay, the other thing is, what you can do when we play, what happens is the sweat from our chins get onto the chin rest and the sweat from our hands get onto the fingerboard and the strings. So what happens here is it eventually becomes yucky. So take your third cleaning cloth, and what you're going to do to clean this part of your violin is use a solution of about 70% rubbing alcohol and drop 2, 3 or 4 drops onto the cleaning cloth, and then you're going to rub your chin rest like this. Okay, just gently rub it. You can even do the tailpiece underneath the strings like that. Gently rub, 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 rub. Clean, especially up there where your fingers touch. And then for each string you're going to rub around and rub the strings individually like this, 1 string at a time. This is how you clean your violin strings. Okay, so you're going to do that. All right, do not let the rubbing alcohol touch your violin, because the body of the violin, because that can also destroy the varnish and it's not good for you. Okay, then when you're done with your violin, take your first violin cloth again, the one that doesn't have anything on it, and you're going to use this for your bow. You're going to just gently wipe it quickly and also wipe your bow hair, just like that, and it's done. You can shake out your cloth and pack it away for the next time that you use it. I hope I have answered your questions on how to clean my violin, and I would like to hear from you in the comments. How do I clean my violin? Please comment below, and also remember to subscribe and like my channel. All the links to the products that you can buy for your violin cleaning is underneath in the comments. Thank you very much. See you soon.